Okay, so I got a nail here. You saw the picture I had when the nail was here. It was a screw, not a nail. I just unscrew it, and this is the first time I'm gonna do this. So I just bought this kit from Jula here in Sweden, and gonna try it out. I'm also got some glue from bicycle repair, so I'm gonna use that one as a bulk medium. Let's see how it goes. Anyway, I let out some air before I removed the screw, just to make sure that it didn't pop or something. My screw went right in. I'm gonna do this right. I can feel the wires. There's wires inside here, and I think I'm going through with them. So maybe that will do, maybe not, but I don't want to destroy the wires too much. Feels like I'm doing. So I'm gonna settle like that. With this kit you get these parts. We call them Däckmask here in Sweden. Quick weld. So I'm gonna use sort of this and push it in 3/4 of an inch or about 1.8 centimeters left when I push it down. And I'm gonna make some glue on this parts too before pressing it down. So these are greasy. Real greasy things. Oof. And I'm gonna try to thread it onto this one. This ain't gonna be easy. Oof. Some greasy things. Then put on some glue. The kit doesn't come with this glue, but feels better using it, right? So, time to put it, try to press it down into the tire. Let's see how bad that goes. Let's see. Push it down into the same direction. Oops. A bit long. And gotta try to pull it up. Press down this one, and then I'll see if you can see it. So gonna cut this off, and then I'm gonna fill the tire again. So let's see if it will hold. So let's fill it up with this one, some air, and see if it holds or if it comes flying out here. Starting to get some pressure. Still holding. One and a half. Still holding. 2 bars. .4, yeah. Seems fine. I'll cut this away when it's dried. leave it for now. So as I said, this one went in a bit too far, I think, according to the instructions I found on the YouTube, but this seems to work also. So this is perhaps 5 minutes later, and I don't want to wait, so I'm gonna cut the excess off. These were some hard, really hard rubber to get through. Well, something like this will have to do. Use a sharp tool when you want to remove the excess. Just try to flatten it so it doesn't push up too much. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you like. Hope you got something out of it. Bye bye. How do you do it?